What a beautiful evening to celebrate Mr. and Mrs. Faramond. Natalie, I've been waiting for this moment for 39 years. 299 days and 14 hours since you came into our lives. Ever since, you have been wrapped around my finger and have never let go. Even though I will always be there for you, I can now say that you can let go knowing you have a great man beside you. This day gives me such comfort. Your mom and I together have raised a daughter that is so precious. Your kindness and your big heart to so many in your life has led you here tonight for this moment. Devin, I couldn't think of a finer man to stand beside our beautiful daughter. You know, she means the world to us, and we could not be happier knowing you will build an incredible life together. Take good care of Natalie, Devin. This evening, I get to officially and for sure welcome you to our family, Devin.
My best friend, my love, my everything. You make me a better man.
We are here because when you realize you want to spend the rest of your life with somebody, you want the rest of your life to start as soon as possible.